Sorry. Sorry. Nobody heard that. Hey everybody, it's Matt and Jody from...
You have to tell me what you want to say. You have to be like, hey.
Sit down and emotions feel like I never did before. Life so simple.
Let's say hello to everyone.
Go ahead. This is recording. Stop.
I am not 2 years old.
Hi everybody, it's Matthew and Jody from the B family, and we're gonna do a pepperoni. No, we're gonna do a Pizza Hut versus Dominoes Jamaica pizza challenge with sparkling this
With some wine.
with some wine
Oh,
in the wine glass from Paul.
get feature.
Well, you're gonna taste the Pizza Hut while I taste the Dominoes. That's how we're gonna do this.
Okay.
Okay,
I want big pizza.
that's the Domino's pizza right here, and this is the Pizza Hut pizza right here.
Ready, babe?
Yeah. And
You
if
should
there's
have showed
anybody
them the
wait,
name.
no, if there's anybody out there that eats pizza with a knife and fork, comment down below and let me know I'm not alone.
She's alone.
Okay, just don't tell me anything. Alright guys. So here it goes.
Wait, who do you think's going to taste better?
This one I think Pizza Hut is gonna taste better.
Emmy's birthday?
No, it's not Emmy's birthday. Ready?
It's a pizza wedding?
No, it's a pizza challenge.
A pizza challenge is not real.
I like it. I don't know what else. Until I eat the next one, I don't know. I like both of them. I know that much.
So he's getting the the Domino's in his plate.
What's that?
You can't drink it. Alright, leave it alone, please.
Okay. Come on, go play. Go play.
Okay.
Go play. We're doing a challenge.
It smells brownish.
No! You gotta come in front of the camera, look. So I'm getting the Pizza Hut pizza. I honestly think Pizza Hut is gonna taste better when it comes to pepperoni pizza. Okay, wait, you took a bite already? Okay. So we taste this.
Which one do you like?
I have a definite winner, but you
I like Pizza Hut more.
yeah, I like Pizza Hut.
But I like
Domino's
Domino's crust.
Yeah,
I like Domino's crust.
100%.
If they would use more cheese on their pizza, I would like Domino's more. Why do you like?
I like Pizza Hut more.
Yeah.
The flavor, and to me, it's like what you expect of a pepperoni pizza. Feels like this is the traditional.
I feel like it's puffier too.
It's puffier,
Yeah,
but when I
like
taste it, it
get
feels
more.
like this is what pepperoni pizza is supposed to be like. Domino's seems like the new guy that came and did a little something, you know?
Mm-hmm.
But it tastes like the original one. Maybe because I grew up on Pizza Hut. But
I changed my mind. I like Domino's. I mean, yeah, Domino's more.
this one is mom. Who gave it to us?
That part, I don't know.
Thank you. So the person that gave this to us. So the cheese pizza. Is it Domino's first?
I can get close.
Okay, I see which cheese is better.
No, I'm going to eat mine side by side.
Thank you. Okay, so we got both pizzas in the plate. This is cheese pizza now.
Dominoes.
Yeah, definitely Dominoes. It really is better.
For cheese pizza, Dominoes is better. I'm surprised. But I like Dominoes more. That's my final decision. Especially for cheese.
For this round, for me, it's Dominoes. It's good. It's actually really nice. So now for the wings. Definitely looks different from what we get abroad.
Yeah.
The pizzas are similar, but the wings are smaller. Yes, these are really wings or winglets.
You should be able to.
Alright, guys.
I think Dominoes.
But Dominoes really does look prettier.
Yeah, Dominoes looks pretty. Yeah, I think Dominoes. Pizza is good still. Dominoes is like fried and
Definitely
chicken.
Dominoes.
Dominoes like a fried. This one's fried.
Another question. How do you chicken? Well, not for you. For the for the the people. Comment down below what your chicken looks like when you finish eating. This is what my wings look like when I'm finished with it. The dogs like me more.
Yeah.
This is how your chicken's supposed to look.
How much meat you still
when
have
you eat
left?
it. Because
That's
you
a
have
waste.
to be kind to the dogs.
It's a waste.
Have dogs, you love them, you be kind. Right, dog lovers. Okay. So, it seems like we have a winner.
Who's your winner?
Overall,
Is what?
it's Dominoes.
Okay, I agree.
Because they have more wings. We'll count it up and put it up here. I hope I can edit and do it. Or here. Yeah, just put it everywhere just in case. Yeah, just look everywhere.
Look up there.
So,
Dominoes. I agree.
your hands are dirty.
I know.
That's disgusting. People, use your knife and fork because that's disgusting.
People, enjoy your food.
Because that is
I take too long.
not disgusting.
It takes too long.
It doesn't take too long. Look at it. Look at it.
You notice you cut it out? This is. Cut it out. Alright, in your hot there.
You know, we'll turn off the fan for you, the people.
Alright, Father, come on.
People will love you. What was that? Thanks for watching our video.
No, it's. I mean, wait, turn off the fan and do it then.
Yeah.
Nah, it's. What did you say?
Thanks for being awesome. No, that's not how you say awesome. You say awesome.
Awesome.
Wait. After 3. You know how to do this together? Like we've been doing this for a long time. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for being awesome. No, that's not how you do it. I think you don't know what I'm doing, people. I'm
hungry.
I'm the professional. Tell you about the sweet habanero sauce, which is just alright.
Nah, it's better than yours.
But here it is, y'all. Thumbs up this video. If the ranch, stop it now.
No to the ranch.
If the ranch is the boom, chicken-little, boom, boom, ranch.
Oh man. Alright. Habanero at the leak.
Emmy, you ready for bath time? You like bath?
No.
No, you don't like bath? You like to brush teeth? Yes? Bath time? I got it.
Bye.
Say night night.
Night.
Say see ya.
See ya.
When I wanna.
Yeah.
See the lodge. You're posing this a video.
Yeah, see. Jeez.
I never mean to. I don't mind. Blame it on the wine. Be family.
Yes, blame it on the wine.
Yeah, blame it on the wine.
When is this one ever outgoing?
That's
Never.
Right.
Never.
This is the first and last time you're going to hear me talk.
Yes, and I will have all the personality for the two of us in one.
That's right. And Liam will make up for my shortcomings.
Hello, you know how much I kiss you? My shade, my phone camera. Come on.
You wasn't kissing me, you going. I swear you do it for your camera. You kiss your face or duck face or whatever.
Thanks
for being awesome. I'll put him on. I'm hungry.
Like and subscribe.